We tried to build one e-learning course. Why does this always take months?
That's not normal.
Not normal? But you need a plan, storyboard, and scripts. Don't those things take time to build?
Of course, but not as long as you think. In fact, it's done.
Not possible. What about graphic design?
Epic!
Done, including a template to use in the future.
Development. Programming in those fancy design tools? Animating bullets? Forget about it.
Yep, done.
Done? What about voiceover?
25 cents a word.
Done. Translation?
3 weeks minimum. Done.
Done. What about subject matter experts? We can't find them anywhere.
Who?
Yep, I've tracked their feedback and they approved it yesterday.
So how long did this take?
Less time than this conversation.
So what do?
We launch. Waiting on e-learning production is no longer normal.
Build e-learning now. Do it yourself. Done with you and done for you. Waiting is not normal. Outrun the herd. Mission Fuel.